This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 10th, 2023. It's currently September 10th, 2023, 3:33 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play for the October 20th reading was created on July 28th, 2023 at 1:57 p.m. Eastern Time. This video right here. So the overall theme and behavior for the 20th is pretty mixed. You get a sideways S formation within a channel usually when you see the Queen of Cups. Now, depending on how strong the trend is, it could be at an angle. Usually the Queen of Cups on a one day is horizontal and resistance and support, creating a channel, and you decline from the resistance to the support. You reverse, go all the way back to the resistance, and then reverse and go all the way back to the support. That's usually how it goes, but if it's a really strong trend, it could be to the downside. Behavior around the highest high, we have a cross-reading congruency again, although this is nullified, the failure card. So it's hard to determine if we do have a decline off of the high or not. It may have been that the decline was the prior day. Behavior around the lowest low for the day, we have a U-shaped dip that forms near the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines. And then I'm advised to trade around a notable decline through multiple support levels. On the 1 month, we have a period of volatility and a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of that period of volatility for the 20th. So we have in the it looks like we probably had a move, we probably opened. So in the midst of this move to the downside here at the end of the day on the 19th, I'd actually probably open up a long position based on what I'm seeing, because we have this like breakout overnight to the upside and then a peak that's easily, an overbought peak or crest that we sell off from pretty notably. And then there's more bullish behavior around the open after the selling off, taking us to an important range that's highlighted on a multi-day scale there between the open and roughly 10 o'clock. It looks like it's a pop and drop. And then there's more movement to the upside between 10 and 11 and 11 to 12 even, although I'm advised to trade to probably close out of that long position right there just before 11 o'clock in the midst of that move to the upside. I'm advised not to chase that rally into noontime. It ends with a fast sudden move higher and then a breakdown through a diagonal trend line that we were rallying along, and that'll take us into a trough around 145, where we establish support, and then there's a big move higher, and then from that big move higher, which creates a peak around between 2 and 3 o'clock. From that peak, we sell off through multiple support levels again, and then that takes us into a low for the day, where at that resistance level, if it is to the upside, that range, I probably open up a short position around 11 o'clock when I close that long position, and then you can hold that short position. I would hold that short position into the 23rd. Either that, or it might be more prudent to just wait, not open the short position on the 20th, and just wait until the 23rd and open up a short position here in the midst of this. Difficult to determine if we're going to open higher or lower. I think we probably open higher, but it's hard to determine based on the cards that are playing out. So that's the S&P 500 for October 20th. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It really helps out the channel. And most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here at the resources tab of our website for traders, where our angel investors are donating 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities and 5% of the profits back to the channel, leaving them with 90% of the money left over. As long as you follow those rules and you spend that money out of love, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel. I'll see you guys on the next one.